Hello and welcome to this brief video today, which introduces Eagle Training's Sales Mastery training courses. My name is Ian Henderson, and I'm privileged to be the Director of Training here at Eagle Training. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a salesperson try to sell you something they wanted to sell you, rather than helping you to buy what you wanted to buy? If you have had that experience, how did it feel? My guess is probably not too good, which is perhaps why selling and salespeople often get a reputation as being pushy and manipulative. And this is one of the reasons why we designed the Sales Mastery program. Now, obviously, without sales, a company won't be in business for very long. So sales are a critical component of success in what is becoming an increasingly competitive business environment. But you see, salespeople do more than just sell their company's products and services. They are a reflection of the company itself. They are a key part of the company's brand. A recent survey by HubSpot indicates that about 20% of salespeople achieve a high level of sales performance, 60% achieve an acceptable level, and the remaining 20% an unacceptable level of sales performance. So why is it that 80% of salespeople are not achieving a high level of sales success? Part of the answer to that question is that they are using an outdated model of selling based on just using traditional sales skills such as negotiation, presentation, objection handling, and closing skills. This transactional philosophy of here it is, do you want it, or sales is just a numbers game, is no longer sufficient for sales success in the 21st century, which is another reason why we designed the Sales Mastery training course. Now, we still do cover some of the traditional skills I mentioned a moment ago in our sales training courses, but we go a lot deeper. Our highly acclaimed sales training course recognizes that all companies are different, and so we tailor our sales training to meet their specific needs. But inevitably, our Sales Mastery course will include an exploration of the 21st century sales mindset. Now, this is necessary because the world of sales and consumers has fundamentally changed. We also look at how to use advanced linguistics to elicit a customer's needs and their buying strategies. We spend some time looking at the crucial difference between a company's USP, its unique sales proposition, and a buyer's UBP, their unique buying preference. So, how exactly is our Sales Mastery training course structured? Well, it is a highly interactive and comprehensive event, usually spread over 2 days, that gets delegates to think deeply about selling with integrity in the highly competitive 21st century environment. As with all our training courses, we use a variety of learning styles, including an online selling profile that identifies the strengths and limitations of a delegate's predominant selling style. The Sales Mastery training course is always highly challenging, but also highly supportive of the participants that we work with. So, if what you have seen and heard here today seems interesting to you, and you feel it would make sense to find out more about our sales training courses, simply fill in the form below now to request a callback from one of our team. In the meantime, I hope that you have found this brief video interesting and useful, and thank you for taking the time to watch it today.